Hello and welcome to our webinar about global initialization through manual training. My name is Michael and I am the CTO of Visometry. Before we begin, as always, we are recording this webinar. This way you will be able to watch it again afterwards and share it with your colleagues maybe. We will have time for questions at the end of this presentation. If at any point during the presentation you have any question, just post them in the chat. We have made sure that this works this time, and we will try to answer every question after the presentation. So we as Visometry are a team of 30 tech enthusiasts and experts in different fields related to augmented reality. At the moment, we have two main areas in which we are active. On the one hand, there's VisionLib, our object tracking library, which most of you probably know. On the other hand, we developed Twin, an AR-based quality inspection tool. In this webinar, we will focus on VisionLib. More precisely, on global initialization through manual training. So this webinar will be similar to the last webinar. I will show you lots of examples and also some code snippets. It is structured in three parts: the manual training, where we start with a feature that you are already using to reinitialize tracking when it's lost. I then show you how you can store that data in a file and what parameters influence the training. Finally, I will talk about the possibilities to transfer the trained data to similar cases. In the next section, I will show you how to load that previously stored data and which parameters influence the initialization. We will extend on the previously learned data and deploy the result together with our application. In the last section, I will talk about the relationship between init data and the multi-model tracking and show you which commands exist to interact with the init data. So let's start with the first step: training the init data. VisionLib by default collects init data, so-called init data templates, to reinitialize tracking if it is lost, or to realign while tracking is critical. You can see that behavior in this video where it is able, which you can, we'll wait a second. Now I turn the camera away. And once the car is visible again, after it's not occluded by my hand, tracking snaps right back when it's no longer.